Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your current city or place that you live in for Facebook mobile. So in order to do this, let's open up our Facebook, then click on your profile picture right here or go for the icon on top. If it doesn't allow like this, you can reload the page multiple times. So let's go for the profile again. Here it is. Now let's go for edit profile, then details and add. Here you'll find the current town or city. So let's add a current city and enter anything that you want right here. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and as you can see, the city just changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.